Great. Any words for people who are just coming up into this field of design?
Yeah, I think advice for anybody who is getting into design now and starting to practice or studying, I would say that be patient, get good at your craft, because design is also about just the craft. Sometimes it's just about learning a software or getting your lines right, or, sort of getting your line quality good, or being able to make whatever, like geometric shapes perfectly. That's a process that we very often don't have patience with. And I'm speaking from experience because I was one of those slightly bad students. So I think one is to just kind of work away at your craft. And that takes rigor, that takes time, it takes doing, it takes many, many hours of what you feel is mindless work, but it's going into some muscle memory somewhere, and it's going to pay off. The other thing that I sadly see a lot of designers not doing is reading. So I feel like designers, I don't know, is it an aversion to the written word? Is it a dissociation from it? I don't know. But I would say that as designers, read as much as you can and read books that have actually nothing to do with design as well. I mean, I'm saying that also because when it comes to design, I don't read much. I read about several other things. But read super, super widely, be interested in what's around you, be curious, and then, try to want to know more about it. It could be very simple. It could be visit to Hampi with your family, or like a temple, or it could be anything. It could be a visit to the sand dunes in Rajasthan. But what can we learn from any of these things, and how can we contextualize? Because that is when I think things start to really come back at you. Like your mental scrapbook starts to become fuller and fuller and fuller, that whatever situation you're in, and you can find references, you can find context, you can inspire somebody who's in your team. You can build yourself as a designer by saying, yes, you know what, I don't know what style I'm going to employ for, I don't know, doing this whatever particular work, but I saw something somewhere when I was traveling which inspired me, and I'm going to find out a little more about that and see how I can make these two things meet and bring things together. So I think that thing of building context is really important. And I think reading helps with a lot of that. I would also say teach. When you have a certain level of experience, please go back and please, give back to the design community. So try and make time for